Make a great choice today with the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, remote engine start, Bluetooth, driver airbag. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance.